Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. You have access to the account email or phone, and you know the most recent password. Once confirmed, open Twitter on the device you usually use. This reduces friction with security checks. Start the official account troubleshooter or login flow immediately and choose the option that matches the error, login failed, suspended, or verification needed, because that routes you to the proper recovery steps. Now follow the guided recovery. Request a password reset if applicable, or choose the identity verification option when asked. Upload clear photos of ID only if explicitly requested. Make sure images match the account name and are well lit because mismatches cause denials. Copy any error codes, timestamps, and confirmation message ID into a note. These details speed up future support interactions and help you track progress if automated steps fail. Complete the process by setting a new strong password and enabling two-factor authentication to prevent recurrence. If verification stalls, escalate. Use Twitter's support form and include the error codes, the device and browser used, timestamps, and screenshots so the agent sees exactly what you saw. If you must try another device or network, make sure you first recorded all prior steps and confirmations. That preserves evidence and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.